Everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add stickers in Splice. Splice is a feature-packed mobile video editing app designed to make professionally quality video creation simple and fun. Whether you're a beginner or experienced editor, Splice gives you tools like trimming, transition filters, text, and stickers to make your video visually captivating with a user-friendly interface. And one fun feature is the adding stickers, which can make your videos more engaging, humorous, and visually appealing. First, you need to open to your Splice app, and once you get into this interface of your Splice app, you can simply select any of the draft, as I'm going to tap on one of the draft, and it will import the video clip that you want to edit. In the bottom menu, what you can do is tap on the overlay, and over here you can find the stickers just below the overlay, and over here browse through the available stickers in the Splices library as well. Select any of the sticker that you want to put it on your video, and it will appear on top of your video in the timeline. And you can also drag to the sticker to the spot where you want it to be on the screen. Simply slide it up, and this is it. This is how you can add stickers and Splice with just a few taps, and you can make your clips more fun and visually engaging. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below, and we will reach out to you very soon.